Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks, and today we are on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We are going to be spending one night at a Marriott Vacation Club in Shelter Cove. This property is a combination of two separate resorts, Harbor Point and Sunset Point. This is my second time here, but my first time spending the night. So this will be a full resort tour. Check-in was very easy. I booked my room directly through Marriott Bonvoy. I'm traveling with my husband, Kelli. It is January 2025. They said they were going to be able to get us in a refurbished villa. I'm really excited about that. This resort is small and simple. There's not even a parking garage. They assigned us to the Osprey building. But like all other Marriott vacation clubs, there's plenty of things to do. There's activities. I'm going to be taking a walk around and showing you the grounds. And I'm also going to be showing you some places that are local, nearby, that you could dine in. At the end of this video, I'm going to take you to the French bakery and to Ella's, which is very close. Ella's is in walking distance. For those of you that are interested in activities, here is a list when I was there in January 2025. If you're someone like me that also owns a timeshare and belongs to Interval International, you could also exchange to stay here. Sometimes in the winter, you could even find these as getaways. You want to see the nice new refurbished room? So do I. Let's go check it out. All of the villas at this resort are the same. They're all 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining area, washer, dryer, and a patio. I loved it. It was beautiful. I don't want to go anywhere else, but we're heading to Orlando after this, so we only have one night here. We actually had 2. We spent our first night at the Marriott Monarch at Sea Pines. I made another video about that resort as well. Most Marriott vacation clubs in Hilton Head Island are on the beach. This one is on the harbor, not directly, but very, very close. Our experience in the villa was very quiet. I found the whole stay to be very tranquil and relaxing. On Hilton Head Island, there is also a Marriott Harbor Club. This is Harbor Point. I could totally see myself spending a week here in the future. I really liked it. We didn't even touch the kitchen. I think we made coffee in the morning. Other than that, we were going out to dinner, and we weren't here that long. We were here basically to sleep and shower and get ready for our road trip to Orlando. On our road trips, I always stay at Marriott Bonvoy properties because I have the credit card. It's a Marriott Bonvoy credit card by Chase, and I put all my purchases on it. So when it's time to go away, between the points and the free night reward certificates, I always have free places to stay, and that is really awesome. So if you want to learn more about how I travel as much as I do and you want to travel like this too and get free stays, check out my link below. You'll learn more about the Marriott Bonvoy credit card. This one-night stay cost me absolutely nothing, zero. Walked out of there with no bill. Are you an owner with Marriott Vacation Club, or do you have a timeshare? I personally have a timeshare myself, and I'm using the heck out of it right now. I haven't always throughout my life. I've been an owner for over 30 years, but I own with Westgate. Let's go take a step outside and go check out the view. Smaller size patio, but there's a table and 4 chairs and an outstanding view. The sunsets over here are amazing. Unfortunately, it's pretty cloudy this day, and it's a little chilly. It's January. It was about 50 degrees during our stay. Let's go check out the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom. This one has 2 twin beds. Some of the other Marriott vacation clubs in Hilton Head have doubles or queen beds in their guest bedroom. The guest bedroom to me wasn't very impressive. Has a small TV. It overlooks the walkway. It's not bad. It's just not like, wow, this is really nice. The guest bedroom does not connect to the guest bathroom. The bathroom, the same thing. It's just like, it's good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not like, wow, this is amazing. They supply you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I don't believe this room in particular was an accessible room, but they did have the grab bars in the bathroom. It's not a walk-in shower. It is a shower and a tub combination. Let's go check out the main bedroom and bathroom. I'm here seeing all this for the first time as I'm filming. Most of our belongings are in the car. We literally just come in here with just enough to spend the night. No need to even use the closets or even to vacuum, but there is a vacuum cleaner should you want to do that. Wow, this is looking a lot better. For whatever the other bathroom and bedroom lack, this one makes up for. The shower was huge, had a glass door. It was a walk-in. I'm not sure if this property ever had big jacuzzis, but a lot of the Marriott vacation clubs have replaced their big jacuzzi spa tubs with big walk-in showers. Westgate, where I own, has done the same thing too. Yeah, this bathroom's really nice, really big. Lots of storage, dual sinks, nice lighting. I really like this one. My husband Kelly's like, hurry up, I want to go to dinner. Will you finish this film already? Bedroom is really nice, very big. king. Bed was very comfortable. The pillows I didn't love. I felt like the pillows were a little bit hard, like fluffy, but they didn't, I don't know. My neck was a little sore the next day, to be quite honest. I would bring my own pillow if I was driving here next time. The pool towels are in your room, so you would bring those back and forth to the pool with you. There is a rolling barn door to separate the bedroom and the bathroom. And the bedroom connects to the bathroom, and the bathroom also connects to the main part of the villa. It's kind of like a little maze. But you go out and there's the kitchen and the dining area and the living area. Okay, time to go check out the grounds and see what it's like outside of your villa. One thing that is very impressive right away in Hilton Head in January is the flowers. There are 2 separate pools and 2 separate hot tubs at these 2 resorts. They were heated, but I wasn't feeling that brave this day. Both pools have amazing views. Do you have a favorite Marriott Vacation Club on Hilton Head Island? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinion. I really love them all for different reasons. I would have to say if I could go to any one tonight and it would cost me nothing, which one would I choose? I would probably say Surf Watch, with Grand Ocean being really close. There is something just very magical about Surf Watch. They have tennis here too. At the end of this video, I'll leave some videos of my previous stays at different Marriotts on Hilton Head Island. Every winter, my husband and I take a road trip. It's always south. We always end up in South Carolina at some point, and we always end up at Hilton Head Island at some point. One time we were here for 3 weeks. This time we were only here for 2 days. I hope to come here next year for longer. It's really a special place. One of my favorite places to be in the wintertime. It's perfect, unless you like to be around a lot of people, because you're not going to find a lot of people around here in wintertime. Next, I'm going to show you 2 places that you could dine very close to this resort. If you're enjoying this video and you're finding it helpful, can you do me a favor and just like the video? And to see more of my video tours about great places to stay, please consider subscribing to my channel. I love to share my experiences with others, living with less and living more free. In walking distance, you're going to find Shelter Cove Marina and Ella's on the Water. I have been so looking forward to this visit. I had heard so many great things about this place. In the past, I have made videos about Hilton Head Island and places to dine. Many people that viewed the video left me a comment saying I needed to try Ella's on the Water, so I'm really excited to be here. So here we are. We got a great table right off the bat. The service right away was fantastic. Feeling very blessed to be here. It was very romantic. I would say it was more special occasion dining. They had someone that was going to be playing live music in the bar area. We sat in the actual restaurant area. There were some tables if you have a reservation, if you want like a water view. But we had this nice circular private table. It was really intimate. I was there with my husband that I've been married to for over 30 years, but we still had a really good time. I'm going to order the vegetarian pasta primavera, and my husband Kelli is going to order this Lent's filet mignon. We haven't dined anywhere at all today, so we were pretty hungry at this point. After ordering, we were served some bread and butter. I didn't have too much anticipation about my meal, but I absolutely loved this pasta primavera. It was so delicious, fresh and flavorful. I'm not a food critic, but the food here was great. My husband loved his steak. Then there was like peanut butter pie. I mean, we went to town. So Kelli, did you like your steak? Yep, over 30 years married now. 1994 we got married. This is a great place to go walking, and it felt very safe at night. Feels very safe everywhere in Hilton Head Island, at least that I have experienced. It's the next morning, and we checked out, and now we're going to go to the French Bakery, which is located in Shelter Cove. After this, we're going to be driving to Orlando, which is about 5 hours. We're going to be staying at Vistana Villages. We were just in Paris, France in December, so we're starting to get to know the lingo now and the menu items. The French Bakery is much, much more than a bakery. They serve breakfast and lunch entrees, and all kinds of desserts, and crepes too. Cute coffee mugs. And life isn't certain. Get the dessert first. And also, make sure you go on vacation. Make sure you go see all the places you wanted to go. I ordered the crepe. It came with the salad. It was stuffed beautifully. It was fantastic. My husband ordered the French toast with the berries. Loved all of it. Here are some more videos about Hilton Head and the Marriott vacation properties. But whatever you do, if you want to go there, go there. Every day is a gift. Make the most of them. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others, and safe travels to you.